Hi everyone, here's a really quick and easy way to practice sight words and an even faster way to assess them if you're a teacher. Create a topic in Flipgrid with about 10 sight words. Make sure to set the time limit to something short like 15 seconds or 30 seconds. Then, on the student view, if your students need to practice to hear what those words are before they try to record a video, they can use Immersive Reader. But this is where it gets really neat. When they go to record a response, if they click on the show topic icon right here, those words will actually pop up. So they don't need to remember what the words are. They're right there in front of them. Once they're ready and they can record, they just hit the record button and the words will actually stay on top of the screen. Now, if for any reason they need that to disappear, they just click on the show topic right again. Here's the thing though, you've got to finish the words in 30 seconds or less, because if not, you probably need to go back and practice. I hope you guys enjoyed this 1 Minute PD.